Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the new Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I bought this palette because the colors in this palette just seemed so pretty, and yeah, I felt like it. This is not a review. I'm just going to be doing a eyeshadow tutorial using the palette. Right off the bat though, I tried to use a lot of shades in the palette. The only shade I had trouble with was Delicious, which is the deep navy, and it was a little bit patchy, but I got it to work. However, it wasn't the best eyeshadow to work with. However, everything else was really good. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm going to start by priming my eyelids with my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, just to create a nice clean canvas. And then the first shade I'm going to take is this yellow, and I'm going to just use a fluffy brush and apply this from inner to outer corner and then slightly winging it out. Now I'm dipping into this peach shade, and I'm just going to be using a smaller fluffy brush, just applying this from inner to outer corner, still in the crease, just a little bit lower down, just to start this sunset colored gradient that we have going on. Now I'm dipping into the deep red shade and taking an even smaller blending brush. I am working this directly into the socket line. This is going to be the deepest part of the crease, and we're just going to continue building that depth and continue creating that gradient. I'm also starting to really wing this out and really define that outer wing shape, and I'm just going back and forth between the previous shades and previous brushes just to help blend and build up the color. Now I'm going to use that same concealer as before on a flat concealer brush, and I'm going to cut the crease all the way from inner to outer corner, and I'm not going to bring the cut crease all the way to the outer corner, just going about 3/4 of the way. Now I'm dipping into the baby blue shade, and I'm going to pack this on my eyelid from about the inner corner to about halfway across the eyelid. For the outer corner, I'm going to take the deep navy shade, and I am packing this on and winging it out. This was the one shade that gave me a little bit of trouble. It came out a little bit patchy, and when I started blending it, it just kind of disappeared. So I really took my time with this to pack it on and very carefully blend it out. I'm then going back in with that red shade on that teeny tiny blending brush and just building up that color in the crease, just where we kind of lost it from cutting the crease and all that. Just re-intensifying, and then I'm using just those previous brushes just to help further blend. Then going in with this bright cobalt blue, and I'm just putting this in the center of the lid to help create more of a gradient between that light blue and the dark navy. Now I'm taking the MAC Reflex Bronze Glitter, I believe, and I mixed it with a mixing medium just to give it more of a liquid liner consistency, and I am outlining the crease line from inner corner to the outer corner. I'm now piling on loads and loads of the Covergirl Super Sizer Mascara just to make my lashes nice and full and black. I'm then just going in with all the colors that I used in the crease just to re-intensify that outer wing, just because I felt like I lost some of the pigmentation. So I'm just going to build that gradient back up. Now I'm dipping into the Frosty White Gold, and just using my finger I am packing that onto the inner corner. For the lower lash line, I'm just going to start by taking the yellow and blending it underneath the eye, and I'm just going to create the same gradient I made on the top lid on the lower lash line. So I'm going to follow up with the peach, the red, and the navy, just continually getting closer to that lash line and blending it out. And to finish the eye look, I'm just taking a yellow eyeliner and putting it in my waterline. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.